Greetings ladies and gents, Aussie from HeathenScent here and welcome to my channel. Okay, today we have got a unboxing and first impressions of a new fragrance. But before we get started, I thought, okay, it is Father's Day and everything, and I know kid hasn't come yet, coming very soon, so I just got spoiled by my partner, and we'll start off with what I got spoiled with first. So here we go. I don't know if you can see it much, but yeah, she got me this lovely hoodie from Grimfrost, and that's what it says over here. It's all in the Elder Futhark script, you know, like what the, I guess the Vikings sort of used and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, it's kind of spelt like that. And, oh, the back, you know, I don't know, you probably can't see it much, but it's got like this nice rune stone with like all the runes in there, and pretty cool. I absolutely love it, amazing. And then we have got something that will be a perfect uniform for these videos. So here we go. Yeah, heathen. So now got something to work with these videos. So let's get going. Just put this down. And first of all, so nice little surprise that I got from my partner, and I did not expect this, but then again, surprises, why would you expect them anyway? So this we have got today is Bvlgari Man Terrae Essence. At least I think that's how you say it. So let's get unboxing, get this all unwrapped. And the cool thing about this, it actually comes with this nice little 15ml sprayer. So I'll unbox that in a second. We'll go with the main one first. Simple sort of box that you kind of expect from Bvlgari. Nothing special. There we go. But hello. Look at this. Nice sort of ambery looking bottle, and you get this real sort of, how should I say, almost like, what's that stone called again? I don't even remember right now. But it's got this like nice sort of, you know, stone sort of print at the top there, and I do love that bronze type of sprayer right there. Looks pretty cool. Okay, and just like you'll see with like all the Bvlgari Man fragrances, they, you know, you got like that spinning, like, you know, like that sort of spinning sort of sprayer to lock it and unlock it. And let's give it a spray. I don't even remember the notes of this, let's be honest. So I mean, I try not to look at them, I just want to be surprised. Okay, let's spray this thing. Right. All right. Let's see what Alberto Morillas has got with us today. This is different. This is very different. Huh. Picking up something like a... This is hard to tell. It's sort of like this like metallic thing going on there. Huh. Very, I'm definitely getting something very leathery in there, like a vetiver or something like that. Earthy and weird. Once again, it's got this like metallic sort of like note to it. Yeah, I don't know. It's different, very interesting. I wouldn't know when to wear something like this. I mean, it's kind of like got this slight freshness to it, like it's got some, like, you know, citrusy feel at the top. Lemony, maybe? Wow. I kind of like this. I don't have a fragrance like this at all. Interesting, interesting. Well, let's look at the other little baby bottle. That is so freaking cute. Look at this thing. How small is that? It's literally the same thing in a 10... Wait, hold on, because it doesn't really have like a spray there. Don't tell me it's like one of those. Hold on. Oh, nah, come on. How cool is that? It's like a mini sprayer. I wonder how this sprays. It's like... Whoa, that sprays far. Just because it's small. Just saying. Look. Just saying, size doesn't always matter. Alright guys, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of Bvlgari Man Terrae essence and this baby little one right over here. So I'm gonna go do a review soon. Gonna give a few more rings at least and see how this one develops, because this is definitely an interesting smelling fragrance from the first spray. So please hit that like button and comment down below if you smelt this fragrance before. If you like it, you don't like it. If you haven't smelt it before, I mean, look, I'm going to be doing that full review soon, and then you'll have a good idea of what to expect from this fragrance. And you know what? Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for more fragrant and men's grooming videos coming straight to your feed. And remember, if you smell good, you feel good. Blessed be to you all, and I'll see you on the next video. So distracting. It's just a hey.
I need the fan under here.
Oh shit. Oh, you got a fan right here. Oh fucking. This was not the easiest video to make, I'm just saying.